Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of an order grabbing website. So this is a very amazing and completely new in market order grabbing website. If you also want to make your own order grabbing task investment website, then you are on the right video. In this video I will completely show you how you can make this website, and I'm gonna give you the complete view of this website. So if you want to purchase this script, or if you want us to build the complete website for you, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description. You can contact us and buy this website from us. So let's start this video. Without moving towards the video, I request all of you to do like the video and subscribe to our channel. So here, first of all, you can see if user have an account, user can log in with existing details. If user don't have an account, so user can register its account by filling these details. Currently we already have an account, so I will go to sign up page, and here I will first of all I'll enter my phone number. So here after entering your phone number, here you have to enter your password so you can log in with your existing details. So click on login, and you can see that I have successfully logged into my user panel of this website. Viewers, these banners, etc., everything is changeable. You can change the logo, banners, and you can use your own logo and banners. And you can also change the highlights as well. First of all, this is the home page. You can see how amazing its look is. So there is an option of deposit money. So user can go deposit money, and user can deposit money on this website by filling the simple details. Write the amount, TRX ID, and the amount you want to deposit. You can easily deposit here. You can insert your USDT address. So currently it's demo details, but you can insert your own details. And after payment, user can send your TRX ID, and when user admin will approve it, the withdraw deposit will be approved. Same here is a withdraw option, so user can withdraw its money. So just click on withdrawal option, and by filling these details, user can withdraw its money from account. So here is a company profile. So users can view your company profile. User can see the rules of order grabbing. Here user can join your Telegram channel, and these are all the investment plans, and you can create these plans from admin panel. It's very simple, and it's in this video I will completely guide you about how you can do all these things from admin panel. So it's completely manageable from admin, and here user can see the latest transaction on the website. Here is a task section. So after subscribing to plan, user can see its daily task or daily order grabs here in this section, and user can grab orders by clicking start. So here you can see 9 spins are left. So from here user can grab the order. So here we just grab the order to collect the commission. Just click on submit, and it will add the commission. So similarly, here's a team section. So you can invite different people, and you can make team and also earn money through referrals as well. Here are all the plans. So you can subscribe to any plan user wants. So user can subscribe to plans from here. So just click that plan you want to subscribe, and you can subscribe to plan, and you can create these plans from admin panel. Here you can see your profile, like your plan. Currently we are on free plan. You can see your invitation code, total assets. Same here is a deposit option, withdraw option, and this is a personal information. So you can see all your personal information, and you can change these personal information details. You can see your deposit history, withdrawal history, income history, details of funds, team income, and you can also invite friends using your referral link. So you can see this is your referral link. You can see it over here, and you can invite different people using this link. And viewers, this was all about the user panel of this website. Now we will go to the admin panel of this website, and I will show you how you can completely control this website from admin panel. So I'm going directly to the admin login page. So now I am on my admin login page. Here I have to enter my admin credentials in order to log in. So I will enter my admin credentials. So here we have to enter our admin password. Now when I click on login, it will log me into my admin panel. So this is the amazing admin panel of this website. You can see it over here. Here you can check your inbox, you can book an appointment, you can upload your picture, and you can see your file details. First of all, you can see total orders on the website, total clients investments on the website, and profits on the website. You can see industry people, interested people's total products sold. You can see all the commission on the website. Here you can see the graphs of sales, and you can see everything basically over here in this section. So you can see all the details, all the users and their request of deposits, withdraw over here in this section. Viewers, here you can see all the user list. So you can see all the users on the website. So these are all the users, and here suppose this is our own account, so we'll go to it. You can add balance to user account from here, so you can easily add any type of balance to user account from here. So you can see all the detail of user here, and you can delete the user as well from this section. So we'll go back. Similarly, you can manage all the users on the website. Here is a plan list. So these are all the existing plans. You can delete them or edit them, all the plans from here. So now if you want to create a new plan, here you can click on plan add and you can create a new plan. So enter the name of plan, price of plan, income, and upload a picture of plan, and you can easily add new plan to website, and you can easily delete the existing ones. So here this is how you can delete the plans from your website. So we'll go back, and here you can see when user will request a deposit, the request will come here, and from here you can approve that request, deposit request of user, and reject it. So here is withdrawal request. So when user will request withdraw, it will come here, so you can approve or reject the withdrawal request. Here are the settings options. So you can set up the level settings, like you can change the level commissions. So you can see all the level commission percentage, 8%, 5%, 2%. Here you can update the task information, like per day task to the user. You can update the task from here. You can update your deposit information, and here you can update the notice board text, and you can insert your own text. Here admin can change the password of its website. So here admin can change its account passwords. So viewers, banners and etc are also changeable. So if you purchase from us, we will do all the work for you. So you don't need to have do nothing. We will do the complete work for you. So I hope you like the video. I request all of you to do like the video and subscribe to our channel. And if you need any type of website, you can contact us and we will build what you want.